I am going to show you a simple method on how to delete your email address or phone number from Facebook. Now, in case you can't access your phone number or email address to submit a code whenever you want to remove unwanted contact info, then make sure to follow every step shared in this video. Now, this method that I'm about to share with you requires one to match his or her Facebook account details with that of the IDs or passport, because we'll need them later in the process of removing unwanted emails or phone numbers from Facebook. And if you find this guide useful, consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe to never miss any of our new uploads. With that being said, let's dive in. Now the first step is to lock your Facebook account. Now for you to do so, open your browser that you normally use. Now here in the search bar, just type in facebook.com. Then you click on enter. Now here on the sign in page, just click on forgot password here at the bottom. Now you need to find your Facebook account. You can submit your mobile number or email address, although you can still use your full Facebook name. Now at this point, just click on try another way here at the bottom. Now at this point, you need to choose a way to log into your Facebook account. So you can choose any of these to log into your Facebook account. So now you need to confirm your account by a code has been sent to your WhatsApp account. So open your WhatsApp account. Now copy that code from Facebook. Now submit that code. Then click on continue. Now here when they ask you create a new password, just click on skip here at the bottom. And now you automatically log into your Facebook account. So now Facebook will send you an email notifying you of the recent login. So go ahead and open your Gmail application, then open that email. Now scroll down to the bottom. Now here it says, this wasn't me. Just hold on that, then copy the URL. Now the next step is to go ahead and log out from your Facebook account via your browser. Now the next step is to open a new tab on your browser, then paste the URL, then click on enter. Then at this point, just click on this or someone else. So now instantly your account will be locked. Now the next step, you need to open a new tab. Then type in facebook.com once more. And now realize that your Facebook account has been locked. Now the next step is to unlock your Facebook account. So click on get started here at the bottom. Now you need to confirm this is your account, then secure your login details, then your account will be unlocked. So click on next here at the bottom. Now the next step is to confirm this is your account. So get a code by email. Then click on get code. Now the next step, you need to open your Gmail application and copy this code. Go back to Facebook, then submit that code. Now the next step is to secure your login details. So click on next here at the bottom. So now you'll be able to see all your contact info. So click on next. Now this is the most part that everyone wanted, to delete or to remove unwanted contact info. Now select or choose the phone number or email address that you don't want on your Facebook account. So select one. Then click on remove here at the bottom. Then confirm. So now you have unlocked your Facebook account. So by doing that, you'll have now successfully removed unwanted emails or phone numbers from your Facebook account. So I hope you find this guide useful, and if you do, please leave a like, share the video, and subscribe for more videos like this. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.